Regulators! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, let's see, it's probably been about a month since we bought the concession trailer, and we're starting to do most of the work on the inside because you can see it's winter time. So not too many projects are going on the outside of it yet, but let's go take a look, and I'll show you kind of what we've done so far. Okay, today is like January 24th, 2021. So here's the trailer. Like I said, not a whole lot has been done on the outside because it's winter time. We have started to look for new side markers. There's a few of them missing, covers, and we'll get more light bulbs for that. Come around. Well, you notice right off the bat, if you saw my first video, taking everything out of here pretty much, and then I went ahead and I picked up another 100-gallon propane tank. I'll have to go have both of these certified eventually, but yeah, a smoker will sit back over here, and maybe a small little smoker over in that corner. We'll just have to see. So let's go ahead and open it up. Get some light on here. All right, so we'll start over here. What I've done is we've taken out all the equipment. I have the flat top disconnected here, and I just have it sitting on a cart. These things here, I would say that's probably close to 400 pounds, but slide it out of the way so you can kind of get an idea of what we've done. I've taken out the table that used to be right there that the flat top and the 4-top burner sat on. I'm actually in the process of cutting it down. What I've done is we've taken out all the equipment. I have the flat top disconnected here, and I just have it sitting on a cart. These things here, I would say that's probably close to 400 pounds, but slide it out of the way so you can kind of get an idea of what we've done. I've taken out the table that used to be right there that the flat top and the 4-top burner sat on. I'm actually in the process of cutting it down because we're going to a 2-top burner, which will sit in this corner, and then the flat top will sit next to it. This is 36. The 2 burners 12 inches, so we're going to have the table 48 inches wide. Or long, and then we're going to add a second fryer to go right here next to this one. So we'll have 2 fryers. I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to modify the fryer bases for that wheel well down there. Bring up the 2 fryers so that they'll sit higher than the flat top and the burner, but I got to get them up above that wheel well. Otherwise they'll stick too far out. For right now, we're going to stay with the small little sandwich prep station there and the big fridge. There's the fire suppression. Might be the lighting. We're going to go with the big fridge. We've cleaned out all the sinks and the shelves. We kind of got cleaned out. Started putting our flooring down. So we got our flooring there. I'm going to build a cover for that area back there, so all that stuff will be covered. Then I picked up this little sink here. We're going to use this for our prep sink. I'll have to once again raise it up and then have this little prep station. The plan kind of is to pull the prep sink down and then put a little 12-inch shelving unit in there, so we have extra shelving, and just use this as our prep table. And then, you know, we got our service window. Got more flooring coming to put down in there, but at least we got this half done and we're coming along. I've got to plumb that all in and get it so it's there. Here in Washington State, you got to have your hand washing sink, which we do right there. This is just sitting there. You got your hand washing sink, soap dispenser. I've got a towel rack that I'm going to be putting in. You got your washing stations right there. And then in Washington State, in order to make this like a commissary kitchen, you have to have at least here in the counties I live in, a prep sink separate from those. So that's why I have that. So we'll get that plumbed in, and then our prep station. Yeah, so the floor, I mean, it's looking real nice, and just got to finish that up, finish modifying the table for the flat top and the burner, get all that put back in there, get the other fryer ordered, figure out what I'm going to do for there. Once again, what I was told is all your cooking utensils, your fryers, your flat tops, your burners, have to be up underneath your hood, and 6 inches from this edge has to be inset. So that's another reason why we went the 2 burner to get more room. We definitely want 2 fryers, so we'll be able to get everything in there. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. The flooring was real easy to do. These are just 24 by 48 aluminum diamond plate panels. I think they're like 45 thou thick. So I just drilled and then used self-tapping screws and screwed them down onto the floor. Real nice. So that's where we're at right now, and more to come. So that's where we're at right now. I started looking into here we have to get L&I approved. Started looking at in that what needs to be done, the process. That's probably going to be anywhere from $600 to $800 right now to get that inspection permit done, and then once we get that done, then we have to go with our county health board to get it approved as a mobile kitchen. Then we might be able to get it as our commissary kitchen too. The big thing is having the fridge running 24/7, and I have a way around that. I'll show you what my plan is for that when we get there. I am, starting to look, talk about the licenses and talking to our inspectors, trying to work up a working relationship with them so that we can get this going. I have been surprised by the contacts that when people found out that we had this, I'm getting, not daily, but weekly inquiries about festivals coming up. I think everyone's pretty positive that we're going to open back up, and they really want to see me get out there and do our thing. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. The one thing I didn't really ever talk about too much is my brother is going in on this with us. And so he's part of the business now, and trying to break him, trying to get him, not camera shy, but we'll see him. You'll see him eventually. He'll probably be in the next update video. But he comes down, and like today, we tore out the countertop that was on this side and all that, and then started laying the floor, Had to cut a couple stainless steel panels, which I've got screwed up against the wall, and he swept it out and did those things that has to be done by somebody as I'm in there cutting down the table and stuff. So yeah, we're trying to get it all done. We're trying to get keep motivated and keep moving forward, and watch how we do this. Still got a lot of cleanup to do. You know, it's everything takes money, so it is what it is, I guess. So anyhow, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write to me. Let me know, and we'll go from there. I have a playlist. Go to my home page, if you want to call it, on YouTube. Go over to playlists. Go down. You'll find food trailer, and you'll find all videos pertaining to that right now in there. Besides on my main page, but to see just about the food trailer, you can go there and look and watch those videos. Till next time, be safe, my friends.